Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing a unboxing video, first time experience with ProHeat 2 times revolution from Bissell. It's a carpet cleaning machine, and it comes with a manual, some coupons, a hose, and there are a few attachments. And here's the container to fill water, and it comes with trial size solution, and here's the handle. So we just have to put it together, assemble it, and it's really very easy to put it together. And here's our machine ready. I have filled it with hot water and I have put the solution as guided, and we are ready to go. uh, I'm gonna clean this thick carpet. You can see the dark spots. This carpet has not been cleaned for, I guess, 3 years, and it's a high traffic area. You can see it's the spots. It's really dirty actually. So let's clean it. Here's the red stain. So I'm gonna clean this and show you the results. All right, so here's the carpet. It's been cleaned, and this machine really works very well on thick carpets like this. You can see all the stains have gone, and it looks so nice and fresh. And you can see all the stains are gone. It takes some efforts, but the machine works really well. You can see the dirt. Look at the dirty water. So, and here's the empty container. I have used up like 6 gallons of water to clean this area, and you can see the filth, the dirt it collected. I think it's good. It's working really well on this type of carpet. Let's check. And it's really easy to clean this. We've got some tools. You just have to empty the water and get started again. Now I'm gonna use this on a lighter carpet. It's little thinner, and this carpet is also very dirty, as usual, not cleaned for years now. I'm so excited to try this machine to clean my favorite carpet. This rug, you can see how it works. You just have to spray and go over and over till you see the water coming out is clean. There's a mark. You have to empty it before it reaches the full line. It's really easy. Just have to pull out the container and empty it. So I'm really enjoying the whole cleaning process. It does work very well, and it's worth the money. So here's the extension. I'm using the hose to clean uh, the side of my couch. I have cleaned all the cushions. It worked really well on them as well. Now you can see the dirt on the handles, the side of the sofa, the couch. So here it goes. So basically I'm spraying and going over it till all the dirt comes off. It's really smooth and light to use. All right, so here's the final look. Everything is all cleaned. You can see all the stains have gone. Overall, it's a very good machine, a good cleaner to clean the rugs, the carpets, couches. That was my experience.